Hi guys, Mom, come back. Hi guys, this is Bay and Dance with Health African Approach to
Fitness.
This morning we are going for a walk. Today we are going to be walking for
2 hours.
we're going to be walking for 2 hours.
Yeah. Shopping.
No,
We have to buy something.
when we're going back because we can't.
Yeah. When we're going back.
Yeah. So we're going to be walking today for 2 hours. Last time it was an hour and 30 minutes. Now we're doing 2 hours.
Yeah.
Obviously we are trying to keep fit out here during quarantine, lockdown.
The
Hopefully,
lockdown isn't down.
yeah,
Because the last time we went, we didn't see this much cars.
yeah. People are
So
out
the
now.
noise, yeah, you can see. But I still love the fact that everywhere is green. It's really nice. I love it. It's beautiful.
The sun is out.
The sun is out. What are you up to? Are you still sitting home complaining? No murmuring, no. God doesn't like murmurers. God doesn't like people that complain. What are you up to? We are off. We're just gonna do a round walk. We get to Excel. We're gonna get to Excel, and then we go around just like we did last time, and then we carry on with our reading.
Yes, sir.
So it's actually been good. Can I tell you something? I don't think I've been so productive as I've been throughout this quarantine period. I have been so into it, reading my books, maintaining my plan, my daily devotion and plan, and completing my third title. So guys, let me give you a little tip. My second title will be coming soon, and it's about the origin of dance, of how we started. So I'm going to be telling a little story of how we started, so that if you're following us and if you see the uniqueness and the closeness between me and my little Zina Chimdema, and a lot of people they keep asking me, what is Bay? Is that her name? No, it's just Bay, my boo-boo. This girl went through a lot. This little child went through a lot, especially when we were going through the accusation. Some of the girls around were even telling her that it was her fault. Hey, Chineke, she went through a lot of rejection. Her friends left her. Can you imagine, as young as she was, people around her seeing your family as a problem? It's as bad. So when it was time to heal, I thought the best way to heal was to grab her and let's heal together. And that's how our family has been bonded. We're so close. You don't mess about with us. So look out for my new title. Very soon we're going to start working on it. The publishing setting will start. So you'll be hearing from us pretty soon. So we're off for work. Mommy,
So yeah, guys. Oh, the sun is actually in my eyes, but we're going to be going for a walk. And yeah, remember to keep fit. This is Dance with Health African Approach to Fitness, and this is Bay and Mom over there. Bye. Hey guys, we have done an hour walk so far, and we are now at Excel. Guys, look at this beautiful area.
It's really beautiful.
It's so lovely.
We just got to the cable car bit, and the cable car, it kept moving the cable car, but there's no one in there.
There's actually no one there. We were thinking, is there someone in there? Is there someone in there? But there was actually nobody there.
Yeah, everything is changed, but one good thing I like is just the fact that some families jogging together, taking a walk. Look at this beautiful husband and wife, so, and then mom and bear.
Yeah, guys.
So we're into our 1 hour now, so let's go, mama.
We're gonna make our way back home now.
Yeah, so by the time we get home, it'll be about 1 hour, 30 minutes, or
Yeah.
1 hour, maybe about 2 hours exactly, depends. Remember, we've not picked up the thing you wanted to. So but let's see how it goes.
Yeah, guys.
See you soon.
Bye.
Hi everybody, this is Girl. Okay, so I just got to Excel with Bay, just now walk, and I want to drop by just to remind you, as our mental health month, we are doing everything to encourage you to be mentally alert, mentally well and mentally fit. That's all that matters. Anything that affects you from doing your normal joy, there's a problem. Seek help while she may be found. That's what I wanted to drop to let you know. I'm up. Hi guys, this is Mom N.
Hey.
You can't believe where we are. Actually, we came here and we realized that the security was a little tight. So I decided to be nice and called on one of the security guys to find out what's going on here. So I thought, okay, how do we get to the train station? And then one of the guys said, go this way. So I realized, guys, see that container ride behind us? That's the isolation center. That's basically where the COVID COVID-19 patients are kept. This is the Nightingale Hospital in London. They basically set up, see that container right behind? Where is it? That's where they are. Right there. See? So I had to ask that guy. He was kind enough, like security guy right there. He was kind enough to tell me that that is where the COVID-19 patients are kept, and then here is the center where they do the testing, just in case you want to test whether you are a carrier of the virus. You come here and you get tested. It's a little spooky, and there's this strange quietness here, isn't it, Mama? I don't like it. Let's go. Let's go. We are going home. I think I've had enough now. And we are now at the Excel Exhibition Center. You can't believe this is a buzzing Excel though. Look, all locked up and quiet. You are not even allowed to go near. So we're heading to the train station so that we can cross over and head home. Hi, how are you? Is everything okay? Take good care of yourself. Bye.
You're so nice.
You have to be nice. You don't see people, so you don't know what they're going through. You have to be nice. Life is about being nice.
Yo.
You can't be squeezing people. You've not seen people for you. You've literally been locked in. That's the way to the station, right? Okay, thank you so much. So let's go and sort ourselves out. I think I've had enough of this whole place. Gave me a little chill. Give me a little chill, and I feel like, oh, people are really sick.
Yeah.
That's the place where they're kept, and some people might have literally lost their lives. So where are we going? We're going up. Okay. Right, guys, take care. Bye. Right, guys, we're Mommy, do the talking, please.
We're now crossing over the bridge from Excel back to our area. It's been a long hour and a bit. Normally, almost hitting 2 hours.
Yeah. I like the flowers. It's really nice.
Really nice, and yeah,
And-
this area is really quiet as well.
I was enjoying my walk, but the moment I got to this place,
You felt so intrigued, like
yeah, there's just captivating quietness, and it just weakened my bone. The thought that some people in that place might have lost their lives. So we use this opportunity to take 3 seconds silence. Stop. 3 seconds silence for the people, and to the people that have lost their lives, to this secret enemy, and to their families. We pray that the Lord will console, comfort, and grant you the strength to bear the irreplaceable losses.
yeah.
So, honestly, I just want to get home. Bath it's a kind of a reflective time for me. It just made me a bit, unhappy, but nonetheless, it is well. So we're heading home now. Thank you so much. I hope you're going to walk tomorrow whilst the lockdown lasts. So instead of staying home, get up on your feet and do some walk. I love the feeling. No, this place is quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're out, huh?
That way. Is it not towards the DLR station?
Mommy, you're confusing me. This is. Remember, we had meetings here at office. No, you go there, and we're down to East London. I'm not going to take a DLR, right? So I don't need a DLR station. I'm going out. All right?
Alright.
Yeah, there we go. We'll
That's
finish
it, guys. Please do make sure to keep fit, because you need to be outside to get that fresh air, because it's not good to be inside too long.
Yeah,
And yeah, guys,
and some sunlight.
yeah, you need some sun.
Yeah.
The sun's very, very nice.
Sun kiss.
Guys, we are now in Ashburton Woods. Almost done the 2 hours, 20 minutes more. Almost finished our journey. Almost be home soon. And yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys.
So we've done 1 hour 30 minutes. So by the time we get home, we've done 2 hours. Yeah. Well done.
We literally just ran from down there to the end of the park.
Look at me panting like an antelope.
Mom's tired. I could film it,
What did you say?
I could film it. We're almost home, guys. All these flies.
We are 2 hours. Mommy.
Mommy's tired.
Where's the water? Chineke. My legs. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wake up without pain. I do skipping, I hardly wake up, but this one, I think we're gonna find it very difficult. But guys, we're now 2 hours into our routine, so take care and do what you can to keep your body fit.
We literally just ran home, guys. Where's mum? Oh, we made it. Mum, are you tired?
Don't even try me.
And that's us keeping fit, guys. I have a stitch, I can't even lie.
We made it.
We made it. Bye guys, remember to keep fit. This is Bay and Mom.